me. It's me. We're me. Today I. Oh, geez. Okay, that's not included. Pretend that doesn't happen. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about my object breathing theory because I'm epic. The object breathing theory is a theory made by me, or me. I didn't know how objects breathe, so I was very curious. So I have some questions that come along with this theory, but I'm just gonna start the theory talk. Theory. The object breathing theory is basically what objects breathe. If things like teardrop exist for the water's object form, then what would be the air's object form? Of course, it would be the second place failed debuter, non-existy. But we all know he can't breathe in objects, so what would other objects breathe? Would it be a different gas, or would they just breathe in non-existing without knowing? So this is where the questions the creators Carrie and Michael Hong need to answer since they made the first object show. But also, trees and grass produce air. So does non-existing come from tree and grassy, or do they just produce a whole different thing from the object in the object universe? Here are the questions. What do objects really breathe? Is non-existing air? Oh my god, is non-existing the air? What would objects, if non-existing is the air, breathe? Do objects breathe in non-existing without knowing? Does black holes suck? Does does black hole breathe or suck up the air? What kind of air does tree and grassy produce? Do tree and grassy not produce any air? These are just the questions, that they need to answer, them. But that was just a bunch of things. If you guys have answers to questions, I would love to know. I know, like, I know, like, trees and grass produce, like, air, so it would just make sense to me. Anyway, that's it. Bye!